Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, December 9th. Very light day today. Actually, this week will be rather light. We got the more important one to be on Thursday with the retail sales and weekly jobless claims. Then we got the PPI on Friday, which is the wholesale inflationary numbers on Friday. So those will be the bigger days this week. So we're just going to jump over to the headline news right now. And stock market closed up, but it was real light trading today. A lot more of the technicals out there, but there was also some the taper talk. So with some of the recent decent numbers that are coming out for economic news that are being released, we got the Fed meeting next week, and of course there's concern that perhaps next week or the markets are a little on edge about the possible tapering for next week, that the Fed maybe could start their tapering as soon as this month. So right now, so be prepared until after the Fed meets as to if they give any inclination as to when they might do any tapering. So you'll hear a lot of this taper talk. And remember, a lot of this is mortgage-backed securities that they're buying $85 billion worth every single month, and this is help driving on an artificial level the interest rates lower. So be very cautious for a while. And as a result, if they do start tapering, there'll be less demand on the securities are on the mortgage-backed securities, and of course rates will tend to rise as a result. So speaking of such, we're going to take a look here. We did start the day up higher. We're after taking a little bit of a beating late last week. We did start a little bit higher and had slight improvement in the interest rates. We're up about 13 basis points for the day, so that would basically give us a little bit better pricing for the day. But we are still in this downward trend. We're just kind of in the track of the highs and lows of that track downwards and kind of touching the ceiling of that. So just be cautious. We'll need obviously break out of that and stay above that for a few days to get any upward trend, which would improve rates. But as a result, we're still in that trend, a downward trend where rates are getting worse. All right, folks, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.